Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm going to show you how to remove scratches from plexiglass. If you've got scratches in your glass, or plexiglass I should say, it's probably in your bathroom, and you want to remove them using whitening toothpaste. The reason why is whitening toothpaste has tiny, tiny granules in it that allows you to buff scratches out. This works not only for plexiglass, but it works for real glass also. The granules are so tiny, they're not going to make more scratches. You just need to be persistent, and you may have to repeat this process a couple of times, but it works. So just get a little bit of whitening toothpaste on your finger and buff it onto the scratch. You want to just keep buffing and keep buffing. Do this for, I'd say, 1 to 2 minutes. And then you're going to want to check and see your progress. So after you've buffed for about 1 to 2 minutes, grab a glass cleaner, or I use vinegar and water, spray it on there, wipe the spot clean, and see if there's any scratch remaining. If there is, you want to just repeat that process a couple of times. Don't get frustrated and go grab a sponge or something that's liable to do damage to your plexiglass. Keep using your finger, or if you want to try to use a toothbrush, use a very, very soft bristled toothbrush. But I suggest just using your finger. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you remove scratches from plexiglass.